Objective Experiment Part A. First, a batch filled of a known quantity of cold water in a vessel shall be heated up by a hot stream flowing through the jacket. Second, monitor the vessel temperature over a period of time and record the necessary data for the study of heat transfer in an agitated vessel. Perform a quick inspection to make sure that the equipment is in proper working condition. Check that all valves are initially closed. Open valve V11 to fill up water tank T1 with cold water from laboratory supply. Also, fill up the hot water tank T2 with cold water from laboratory supply. Switch on the main power on the control panel. Switch on the heater and adjust the set point on the temperature controller T1C1 to 50 degrees Celsius. Fill the vessel with water by pumping cold water from tank T1 through valve V2. Record the amount. Close all valves except valve V11. Switch on the stirrer and set the stirrer speed about 200 rpm. Make sure valve V1 is closed and pump P1 is off for the entire experiment. Set valve V8 so that the liquid from the jacket will return to the hot water tank T2. Set valve V7 so that the liquid from the tank T2 will enter the jacket. Switch on pump P2. Open and adjust valve V6 to obtain 1.5 liter per minute of flow rate FT2 of the hot water stream. Start the timer immediately. Record the flow rate FT2, stirrer speed SP1 and feed volume. Record temperature TT1, TT2 and TT4 at suitable intervals. Stop pump P2 when TT1 is constant. Close valve V6. To repeat with different values of ST2, drain all liquids from the vessel and jacket, then repeat steps 2 to 10. Objective Experiment Part B. First, a batch filled of a known quantity of hot water from Experiment 1 in a vessel shall be cooled down by a cold stream flowing through a coil. Second, monitor the vessel temperature over a period of time and record the vessel temperature and inlet and outlet temperature of the cold stream at a fixed interval. Perform the general startup procedure as necessary. Record the amount of hot water inside the vessel retained from Experiment Part A. Close all valves except valve V11. Make sure valve V6 is closed and pump P2 is off for the entire experiment. Switch on the stirrer and set the stirrer speed to about 200 rpm. In step 6, set valve V4 to ensure water from tank T1 will enter the coil. 7. Set valve V5 so that the water from the coil is drained out. Open valve V3. Switch on pump P1. Open and adjust valve V1 to obtain 1.5 liter per minute of flow rate of cold water stream. Start the timer immediately. Record flow rate FT1, stirrer speed SP1 and feed volume. Record temperatures of TT1, TT3 and TT5 at suitable intervals. Stop pump P1 when TT1 is constant. Close valve V1. To repeat with different values of FT1, drain all liquids from the vessel and quickly heat up the liquid in the vessel using hot water flowing through jacket. Then repeat steps 2 to 10 above.